Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to find the Huawei Band 10 using the Huawei Health app. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure you pair your Huawei Band 10 with your smartphone through the Huawei Health app. After that, on your smartphone, just open the Huawei Health app, then go to Devices. Under the Connected Devices section, just tap on the Huawei Band 10. From here, just go to Find Device. Now to find your Huawei Band 10, just tap on Vibrate. And once you tap on Vibrate, your Huawei Band 10 will start vibrating. Now since the Huawei Band 10 does not have a speaker, it will not produce any sound. It will only start vibrating. Now just tap on Stop to make it stop vibrating. And this is how you can find the Huawei Band 10 using the Health app. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.